The definitions of verification and validation are very important, as I haven't seen any software testing job interview without asking about verification and validation. So what are those? Verification is doing the thing right. Validation is doing the right thing. So by doing both verification and validation, we want to do the right thing in the right way. Can we do the right thing in a wrong way? Yes. We can develop the software required by the customer, but the code is not mentable or readable at all. It's what we call spaghetti code. And God knows how many spaghetti codes are there in the world. Can we do the wrong thing in a right way? Yes. We can develop a very mentable, readable, reliable software following all the latest best practices, but it's not what the customer asked for. So we should do both verification and validation. And again, because I have been asked this question many times, who is responsible for verification and validation? And the answer again is everyone. Everyone is responsible for verification and validation depending on the current stage of the software lifecycle. Analysts, for example, are responsible for verifying the requirement, meaning it's written in a nice, understandable way, not ambiguous and complete, and so on. Also, analysts should validate the requirement document with the customer to make sure it's actually what he asked for. To make it easy for you to differentiate between validation and verification, always think of the customer when talking about validation. Testing is done by testers, who test the generated code, but again and again and again. Who are the testers? They could be anyone, the developers, the customer, or the system testing team. There are two types of development models that demonstrate the mentioned guidelines. The first is an extension to the waterfall model known as the V model. The second one is an iterative model, where the coding stage often begins once the initial user needs have been captured. Let's talk about those two models in detail in the coming lectures. Thank you.